Okay, so today we will begin by solving chapter 7.5, and this will be number 20. So the problem for chapter 7.5, number 20 is listed right here as an equation is given. A, find all the solutions of the equation, and B, find the solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So the equation is given right here, 2 sine 3 theta plus 1 equals 0. So to begin, we subtract 1 from both sides, which gives us 2 sine 3 theta equals negative 1, which our next step would be to divide by 2 to isolate that sine 3 theta. So when done, we get sine 3 theta is equal to negative 1 half. Next, we go over here and we find the radian for sine exponent negative 1 half, and we get that this equals negative pi over 6. So when you do the equation of 2 pi minus pi over 6, we get that 1 point is 11 pi over 6. And then when you do pi minus negative pi over 6, we get the second point, which is 7 pi over 6. And when both of these radian degrees are input into your calculator, you will indeed get a negative 1 half. And I drew a little diagram right here to help visualize where the points would be. So for part A right here, it asks to find all the solutions of the equation. So for the first equation, it will be 3 theta is equal to 7 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. Now to get this theta alone, we divide by 3, which when done, we get that the first equation is theta equals 7 pi over 18 plus 2 pi k over 3. And the second equation was 3 theta equals 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi k. Now when also divided by 3 on both sides, we get that theta equals 11 pi over 18 plus 2 pi k. And this is the solutions of the equation for part A. Now moving on to part B, it asks to find all the solutions in the interval of 0 and 2 pi. So I did a few calculations right here. 2 pi is equivalent to the decimal 6.28319. So you basically take this equation and add increments till they fall beneath the 2 pi, which will be 6.28319. So our first point is 11 pi over 18, and here's the decimal for it. Our second point is 23 pi over 18, which yields us a 4.014. And our third and last one would be 35 pi over 18, which gets us just barely 6.108. Now you do this for the other equation as well, and our first one is 7 pi over 18, which gives us 1.22. Our second one would be 19 pi over 18, which gives us 3.31, and our third one would be 31 pi over 18, which gets us 5.14. So for part B, all the solutions that fall under the 0 to 2 pi would be 11 pi over 18, 23 pi over 18, 35 pi over 18, 7 pi over 18, 19 pi over 18, and 31 pi over 18.